What is up, guys? GivemChills here with another video. Today we're going to be doing it a little differently. This is my setup. I'm going to give you a super quick tour because we're going to actually change it. Right now I have two monitors and one vertical monitor, my camera and all that stuff. We're going to go through all of this and change it a lot because actually this setup is a little too big for my desk. So I'm going to move into two monitors and I'm going to put my PC on top of the desk, clean it all up and move things around. So let's do that together. I'll give you a quick tour of my setup. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go subscribe, give us a like, and come hang out with me on twitch.tv/GivemChills. I stream every weekday at night. I guess I stream every weeknight at night. So come hang out with me there. We'll get to talk about more streaming stuff, more hardware and software. But yeah, let me give you a quick tour. Let's get into it. Alright guys, you've probably already seen my setup in previous videos. We'll go from left to right. Currently, this is the Fine K432 webcam. This is my camera that I use for streaming on the side that just films basically an angle. Over here we have an Acer 27 inch. It's just a 60 frames per second. Up here we have a C922 camera that is gonna go away because it's not mine, it's from work. But this camera will be going away. And over here we have a Canon DSLR that is the T5i. Currently we're using it with a USB using the Canon Web Utility software for transmitting video, which is not great. We'll be doing a new video on a cam link that is super cheap very soon. We're going to be switching this camera to use that. Down here we have the popular LG Ultra Gaming monitor that we've reviewed. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the video down here somewhere. But yeah, this monitor is 144 Hz, 1080p. And then over here we have a curved Samsung 27 inch, 60 frames per second, just for, you know, chat and stuff like that we do. Yeah, so all three different monitors. So we're gonna be getting rid of this one. We're gonna get rid of the stand that holds three monitors. We're gonna keep this one, put it in the middle, put the desktop right here, put that monitor on top of the desktop and angle it down to look at us. So it's gonna kind of look cool, a little bit different than other setups. Over here we have a router that we use for our fiber internet, our Bose headphones, the QC35, and then just a basically plug with a holder. This is the Razer keyboard, one of the original Black Widow's keyboards. And this is the popular Logitech 502 Special Edition. I bought this thing for $25. It was on sale. It's one of my favorite mice that I've ever used. I really like it. Over here we got some AirPods that we use. And this is the main mic that we've been using. This is the Fine K10780A. It's a great microphone. Currently attached to this desk right here. But yeah, we're gonna be moving stuff around. We have a mat, that's a math mat that I really like. This is the PC that I have, I built in last November. All right guys, we're gonna be moving this up here. I'll give you a tour of the PC later on once we're opening it up. This is a mess. I mean, look at this. We're gonna clean all this up. It looks horrifying. And we're gonna clean all of this up. This is my PlayStation 4 that I don't use anymore as much. Google Home right there. This is all the boxes that I have. Obviously everything is a zoo right here. We got a TV that's a 70-inch Sony TV that I sometimes watch stuff on. Some darts, some crazy stuff. I mean, obviously, this is a mess. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna clean it up big time. This chair is going away. It's not mine, it's from work. This is my gaming chair. And this is my glider chair that we'll be using when we have a baby that my wife can use to do stuff on and hold the baby on. This is a couch that looks like horrifying and a bunch more monitors. All right. Okay guys, let's get into it. Let's tear this whole thing apart. We're gonna clean everything up. I'm gonna put the camera over there and you'll see everything that's gonna happen. While you're at it, press the subscribe button and give us a like on this video. Let's get into it and I'll see you on the other end. Alright, so this is the final look when the light is on. It's a little distorted. Obviously, cable management is crap right now. You don't even want to look what's down there. But yeah, we'll clean all that up later on. We're going to be moving in a few months, so I don't even want to pay too much attention to this. This was about an hour and a half of work. Cleaned up everything, cleaned up the PC. Cleaned up the PC, there's no more dust in it. Looks all nice and clean. Camera's right there. Stuff is still right here. A little rubbish over there and there, but overall, it should look pretty good on the stream. Alright guys, so this is how the final look will look on this. Got that moon right there, the RGB, some RGB in the machine. We're gonna install some RGB soon here. We have both of our monitors right there, our keyboard and our mouse. Looks nice, clean, and very smooth. Right here, we're gonna have our microphone, and this is the camera. Man, I'm sweating. That was good. All right, thank you guys so much. I hope you like this new setup. Let me know in the comments below what you think, if you like it, and if you think I should change it or what should I improve. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a capture card that we're going to be getting. It's going to be awesome for the camera. It's going to look really cool. And the other thing is we're going to put some RGB in that machine, and I'll do a whole video of setting up the RGB. So again, thank you for watching, and you have a good day and a good week. Look at those sweat, man.